Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm diving into why mastering Python is your golden ticket to AI success. So let's break it down. AI is not just a buzzword anymore, it's shaping our future. From self-driving cars to recommendation algorithms, AI is everywhere. Guess what? Python is the backbone, holding it all together. Why Python, you ask? It's simple, powerful, and super versatile. With an extensive library ecosystem like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, Python makes AI development a breeze. Plus, it's beginner-friendly, so you don't need to be a coding genius to get started. Now, why should you learn Python fast? The tech industry is evolving at lightning speed. Companies are on the hunt for skilled Python developers who can drive their AI projects forward. The sooner you master it, the sooner you'll be in high demand. But here's the kicker. Python isn't just for coders. It's for anyone who wants to understand and leverage AI, whether you're in finance, healthcare, or even art. Python gives you the tools to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. So how do you get started? First, dive into online courses and tutorials. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube have tons of resources. Practice by working on real-world projects. And don't forget to join coding communities. They're gold mines for support and networking. Remember, the future is AI, and Python is your key. Start learning today and you'll be at the forefront of this tech revolution. All right, that's it for now. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.